कि जब भी आपकी एक फिल्म आती है सर, इन द एज ऑफ डिजिटल एंड वीएफएक्स लोडेड फिल्म्स, आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है इट्स वेरी रॉ, रस्टिक एंड इट्स वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, बेस्ड ऑन प्रैक्टिकल इफेक्ट्स. सो इज दिस योर प्रेफरेंस? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, इज दिस योर डेफिनेशंस कि मतलब जितना हो सके इट शुड बी रॉ, रियल, एंड इट शुड बी लाइक इट शुड नॉट बी फिल्ड विद स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, cinema, everything, whatever we do should be believable. Otherwise, it doesn't, I mean, one doesn't enjoy it. And action, I always have, I mean, ever since I've been doing films, I used to do things, everything myself. So, उस वक्त सब चीज़ें रॉ ही होती थी. And it's just after, I don't know when everything started changing. But definitely, I mean, any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion. So the more believable, I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cineblitz. Over here, straight. Straight, yeah. Yeah. So I wanted to ask that, as the film is, we saw the trailer, it's fantastic, as everyone is liking it. But as it's based on the terrorism part and that's being showed, there are many films and series nowadays, coming out on such topics. So, how different is it for this film, which you felt, this is the USP for, like something really different in this one?
See, what I liked about the thing is that, I mean, just imagine if, actually the explosions come into the city and we are not aware of it, what a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me, and I said, and how they're going to go through it, and that's what Bezad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen, and it is not pinpointing anything, it is just pinpointing, I think the main issue of anything in life, I think, is nothing but money. So that excited me. It was not just simply blaming things, but the reason is very definite. And I think we all, everything आजकल जो भी हो रहा है सब पैसा 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 ही हो रहा है.
Hi, Sunny, this is Priyanka from Indian Express towards your center. Hi. Sunny, I wanted to know that, you're one of the first patriotic heroes on screen. You've been the symbol of this theme on screen for the longest. And we've seen, a resurgence in filmmakers' interest towards this theme in the last 5-6 years. How do you view it, these films today? And how do you feel the treatment of patriotism as a theme in Hindi cinema today?
I think we're diverting from blank, aren't we? um, See, first and foremost, the most important thing is, are we all patriotic or not? Do we love our mother? Do we love our country? That's the most important thing. It should not be taken as some kind of a sellable thing, okay? And that's not how I have done my films or ever. Jab bhi maine kuch bhi kiya, it's because I believed in the characters and I did that. And mostly I've always done films where the characters have been strong, fight for something, and that's my nature also. I just go till the end, and I'm not a kind of a person who gives up. So somehow that reflection comes across, and so some films which I've done which are on the patriotic note, so somehow people connect with me more. And it was never what do we call, a sellable thing or something which we did, but definitely now the whole world has changed. Everything has become marketing, and so everything has to have a reason why we do and what we do, and then we all make graphs about it. Everybody does that nowadays, so I think that's what's happening right now. Season hai, kis cheez ka season hai, wo banate hain log.
Sunny, Justin here from PTI, slightly towards your center. Here. Yeah. Sunny, you mentioned at the start that how newcomers today are very well prepared. I wanted to know from you, what do these newcomers today have, which perhaps you didn't have when you were sort of starting out in your career, people of your generation didn't have when they were making their debut in the films?
There's nothing that Sunny sir doesn't have as a performer.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I think it's like, such questions are put across, and I think if you basically even look at the whole world and the way things have progressed, I don't think there are anything different than what people had earlier and they don't have now. It's only thing is that obviously technology and the awareness of things have changed. So obviously you are growing in a much more aware format. What आज हम जो पूछ रहे हैं, 20 साल बाद यही सवाल किसी और से पूछा जाएगा. So I think this is what basically it is. Otherwise, the emotions are the same. We all have love and hate and anger and everything the same. So I don't think anything is changing from that point of view. So definitely the youth which is coming in will be reflecting all these emotions basically.
Correct.
Karan-
Also, Karanveer, you've done a couple of films before Blank, of course, but this seems to be the biggest of all that you've done. Tell me, is there a lot of struggle for an actor to get the right kind of scripts and get the right kind of star cast and a director attachment, especially when you're still making a mark?
I think you've answered your own question. Of course it is. We have to work very hard. We have to be absolute impeccable performers. And we have to be lucky enough that people like Behzad, people like Pranav, people like Tony D'Souza, they believe in you. I started my journey with Tony. Oh, sorry. And your co-actors as well, of course. But it's a team effort, yeah. And if you land at the good role, the challenge isn't like from the first take till the release, it's always there.
Karan Kapadia, Hasti
Hi.
here from Cineblitz again. I wanted to ask you that your first debut film is quite intense. So, and also you have got reviews even from your, family also saying that you have chosen a very intense film for your debut. So, is this something you are inclined to, or are there more genres of film that you would really like to explore?
See, I wasn't honestly lucky enough that I can just pick and choose whatever film I want to do. मैं बहुत lucky था कि Blank आया at a time where I really needed it and I needed the opportunity. I just got lucky that the script and the director turned out to be amazing. So I am open to doing any genre as long as it's a film that I think I would go watch myself as an audience. I would do that film. So I am not picky like that.
हाँ करण इधर जो ट्रेलर में अभी हम देखे आपको जो पकड़े जाने पे जो आपको भुलापन दिखता है कि एक्चुअली मुझे नहीं पता ये हो क्या रहा है, तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या आपको
मैं समझा
वास्तव में
नहीं,
पता
क्या?
नहीं?
आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सकते हो प्लीज?
अभी ट्रेलर में जो हमने देखा कि आप बोलते हैं कि वो एक्चुअल मुझे पता नहीं कि हो क्या रहा है, तो जो हम यहाँ पर भुलापन जो मासूमियत देखते हैं आपके चेहरे पे, तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या वास्तव में इस हालात का आप इत्तेफाक से शिकार हो गए हैं?
वो तो अभी आपको पिक्चर देख के ही पता चलेगा.
Sunny, hi, right here in the center. Here. Hi. Sunny, we have seen you, like you've worked in many films in Bollywood until, like for so many years, but we have never seen you like in the recent times, we have not seen you in a, like a multi-star. Like, of course, we have seen you in Border, which had a lot of actors, and Dar alongside Shah Rukh. But after a point, we didn't see you, working with many actors. Like, you are friends with Salman, you're friends with many of the actors. Would we ever see you working with them, or have you consciously stayed away from doing multi-star?
If there's this script कोई script हो जिसमें लगेगा कि I fit in the script with all the other any other actor, definitely I'll do it. But unfortunately, कभी कोई ऐसी चीज़ आती नहीं है. I have no idea. But I have definitely I would work with anyone.
सनी इधर इस साइड पे. सनी, जब भी आप नए लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं तो वो बेचारे पहले से हिले रहते हैं तो उनको कंफर्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं आप?
नहीं, कोई हिला नहीं होता है, हिला तो मैं ही होता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. I think especially इस फिल्म में तो it was like a family and सब चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छी थी. And जब भी मैं जहाँ भी काम करता हूँ, I try to be part of the unit so that comfort level is there because I like to be comfortable. नहीं तो माहौल अच्छा नहीं होगा तो काम नहीं अच्छा हो सकता. And definitely Behzad and Karan and all the kids over here, everybody has done a great job. And definitely when you'll see the film, पता चलेगा. फिलहाल तो भी मैं तारीफ ही कर सकता हूँ.
घायल आपकी घायल 2 आई थी, उसमें बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था आपने नए लोगों से, जो भी थे आपके साथ बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था. तो यहाँ भी कुछ नोट्स तो आपसे लेते ही होंगे.
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है.
करण हैं और हैं जो आपके नज़दीक हैं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं, लेकिन इतना ज़रूर है कि जब भी हम सीन करते हैं, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ सीन जिसके अंदर हम इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं. उस वक्त ये नहीं होता कि हाँ डेफिनेटली कहीं ऐसा होता है जहाँ मैं कुछ ना सही कर रहा हूँ तो obviously Karan could correct me and I could do the vice versa.
Nonsense.
But ऐसी कोई चीज़ें हैं नहीं जो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आदमी किसी को सिखा रहा है, because हम खुद अभी भी सीख रहे हैं. So it
Everybody
just
has
goes
their
on.
approach, so. They really liked it. They've not seen too much of the film, so like they were pretty surprised when they saw it. But unko achhi lagi. They're waiting to see the actual. They're not going to like put me on a pedestal and make it seem कि क्या trailer है, क्या teaser है. So we'll know once the film is out what they really think.
हाय इशिता, मधु बीबीसी हिंदी से सामने आपके।
Hi.
इशिता, कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जो आपकी इमेज बदल देती हैं, तो आप मानती हैं कि इससे पहले हमने जितनी भी फिल्में आपको देखा था हमेशा चुलबुले अंदाज में ही देखा है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हम आपको प्रॉपर एक्शन करते हुए देखेंगे, तो आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म कहीं ना कहीं आपकी इमेज बदलने में कामयाब रहेगी?
I think as an actor, that's what we always want to do different kind of roles, and sometimes for some reason you don't get the kind of roles that you want to do. But yeah, in this I'm playing something very different, and I'm very happy and excited about it. And I hope कि लोगों को पसंद आए. And in future I get to do not just action, comedy, and something else also.
She's changed as a person also. Every day on set she'll ask me, आज किसको मारना है? So
I in fact wanted to like.
आज किसको तोड़ना है? Sorry, तोड़ना was the word.
Hi, Sunny ji, I'm Pankaj from Urban Asian on your center. Hi. In your career, I don't remember seeing you playing a negative character. Correct me if I'm wrong. In this film also, Karan is from the trailer it seemed that he's playing a grey character or negative character. Were you tempted to play a negative character, or have you consciously stayed away from negative roles?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कहानी अच्छा character हो तो definitely whether it's negative or positive doesn't matter, but there has to be justification to what I mean in the character, and would love to do it. And my question to you is, would you want me to see me in a negative role? You would want to see me in a negative role? Doing what? Torturing somebody?
So we'll do blank 2 and we'll turn the tables.
Ishita, hi, Priyanka. Ishita, you were superb in Drishyam, and I think that's been your breakout performance in Bollywood. But after that, and even previous to that, you've been a popular TV star. But tell me, is it very difficult for an outsider to get meaty, to get good opportunity roles in Bollywood as compared to TV? Do you think it's easier for TV actors to still get great opportunities?
There is no right answer for this. I think it depends on the person. It depends. I think luck is something that I really believe in, to be in the right place at the right time. Like, I started from television. A lot of people thought I wouldn't. But I did, and I got good roles, and I was happy doing that. And yes, Drishyam is the film that, like people associate me with, but I have done a lot of work. It is difficult, and not just for outsiders. I think it's difficult for everybody because there are a lot of talented actors out there, and everybody is struggling and trying to get, and it's just, sometimes it takes a little more time, and sometimes it's the first film, and you're sorted. So yeah, I think that's my answer for this.
Behzad here. So congratulations, this is your first film as director as well.
Thank you.
So आप ये बताइए कि set पे जो first day of shoot था वो कैसा रहा? Because you're directing Sunny Paji and Karanveer and Ishita. So how was it? What was the scene? And
Honest answer?
जी honest answer.
फटी पड़ी थी on first day.
तो कैसे संभाला गया सब कुछ?
At some point we feel if it's written in the stars, it just starts to flow. And first day we did have a few issues because we were shooting at a dicey location, which was Worli Village. There was action, and my mistake to start with that. But somehow that sequence has come out the best. So we just, grit our teeth and did our job. And once we survived the first day, then it just started moving. There was no issue after that.
Karan,
all right, this is the last question.
Karan, as a newcomer, do you, right here in the center.
Oh, hi.
Karan, as a newcomer, do you feel any, are you nervous that, there's already so much competition with so many newcomers coming in the industry every year? Do you feel the worry, to perform and make your place in the industry?
No, not really. I think competition is something that's inevitable in any field. So I just want to do the best work I can do, and I think that my work will speak for itself. So I don't really worry or think about what other people are doing. And I think the more actors that are coming up, it's only better for us because there are so many good stories out there that need to be told. So I think it's only a good thing for the industry that there are more young actors coming through.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
And I would just like the entire cast and crew to be on stage for a quick photo op. But before we click a picture, give me 2 mics. विशाल जी, I have one question आपके लिए. Being a producer of the movie recently, जैसे किसी प्रेस ने एक सवाल पूछा, मेरे मन में भी सवाल था कि पेट्रोटिज्म वाली movies have been doing superbly well, extremely well since last few months. तो this was आपका क्या सोच था before you invested in this movie?
नहीं, हमारी कोई इंटेंशनल फिल्म नहीं थी कि पेट्रियोटिज्म फिल्म बनाएंगे
जी.
हमारे पास बेजाद है, बेजाद और प्रणव स्क्रिप्ट लेके आए थे कि एक पिक्चर है, और टोनी मेरे पार्टनर है नहीं यहाँ पर.
जी.
हमने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी, हमें पिक्चर अच्छी लगी, और उसके बाद ये चीज़ें अपने आप ऐसा हो गया कि उरी के बाद
जी.
ये अभी एक मौसम ऐसा बन गया कि हर जगह पेट्रियोटिज्म देश के लिए फिल्में चल रही. तो आई थिंक वी आर जस्ट लकी, आई डोंट से लकी और अनलकी, अनफॉर्चुनेटली वेयरएवर वी आर. सो जो हुआ वो गलत हुआ, पर हमारा जो फिल्मों का माहौल है और जो फिल्म जिस तरह की फिल्में आ रही हैं, उस टाइम पे एक फिल्म आ गई है जो टेररिज्म के ऊपर है.
जी.
तो आई थिंक जस्ट अ डेस्टिनी विच प्लेज ए पार्ट. तो वही है, हमने एक सुनी थी, आज ये खड़े हैं, एंड सनी सर ने हमें सपोर्ट किया, एंड करण, बेजाद, द होल टीम, इशिता, करणवीर, फैबुलस, कार्निवल, निशांत, they were part of it. So thank you so much for everyone to support us in our film and make it like a lovely film which is there, out and about. You can have a look at it. The trailer आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा, और I'm sure कि पिक्चर भी अच्छी लगेगी. 3rd May को प्लीज़ देखिएगा.
निशांत, आपके किटी से और क्या क्या आने वाला है आगे चल के? What are your future projects?
There are a couple of more projects which we are working on. There are a couple of more projects which we are working on, which we'll be announcing after the release of this movie.
Okay.